Okay.
So this is the start of the blizzard, the groundhog dump you might call it. So far my Prius is working alright in the snow. Quentin Road over there. It doesn't look like too much fun. They're not moving real fast. From Philip's bedroom window, looking down at the driveway, the wind's keeping the front part cleared off. Oh, it left that big drift there. That's our driveway. And that's the intersection right over there. Yeah, I thought I heard a snowplow earlier, but I think that was just wishful thinking. Yeah, there's supposed to be a little thunder with this. Let's see what this is like. Can't see too much. Oh. There's my front walk. I think there's going to be many cars out there tonight. Yeah, that drifter from my garage is about 3 feet high. Hey, we're maybe halfway into this blizzard. Yeah?
Yeah, 22 at Elk Grove.
22 inches Elk Grove?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see it. Jeez, that wasn't a very good landing. Yeah, when the plow gets stuck. Ooh, that's four-wheel drive. Which makes sense on a plow, but... Don't see a John Deere going through our town very often. Yeah.